episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. A quick reminder to all you guys to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. For now, just sit back, relax and enjoy the top headlines of the day. Kangna quotes a new controversy with comments on farm bills. Shah Rukh Khan turned chef for family. Karan Johar returns to Mumbai amidst NCB investigation. Will NCB controversy impact brand value of Deepika, Sara and Shraddha? जहां कंगना हो, वहां controversy होती ही है. The actor now finds herself in trouble after a social media post she wrote commenting on the controversial farmers' bill has led to a criminal case being filed against her. It has only been a few weeks since Kangna Ranaut got into a war of words with the Maharashtra government and politician Sanjay Raut. While she is fighting a court battle demanding a compensation from the BMC, it looks like she's gotten herself into another potential lawsuit with sections of the IPC being evoked against her for her comments on social media that did not go down well with a lawyer in Karnataka. कंगना अक्सर पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज पे अपने ओपिनियंस और कमेंट्स सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट करती है, बट दिस टाइम her choice of words to describe the farmers protesting against a controversial bill that was recently passed has angered a lawyer in Karnataka, जिन्होंने कंगना के खिलाफ इंडियन पीनल कोड के सेक्शंस 44, 108, 153, 153A एंड 504 के तहत तुमकुर JMFC कोर्ट इन कर्नाटका में क्रिमिनल केस फाइल की है. According to a news report, the lawyer who has filed the complaint has claimed that he is also a farmer and that Kangna's social media post caused pain. In his complaint, according to a legal website, he has said, "This post on Twitter account of the accused posted by her may lead to collision between the people of different group who believe in different ideology." Kangna's controversial post where she commented about those opposing the government's agri-marketing bill said, "People who spread misinformation and rumors about CAA that caused riots are the same people who are now spreading misinformations about farmers' bill and causing in the nation. They are..." You very well know what I said, but simply like to spread misinformation. Earlier, the actor, who is taking an increasing interest in political affairs and the policies of the ruling government, has also reacted to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's tweet and said, "प्रधानमंत्री जी, कोई सो रहा हो उसे जगाया जा सकता है, जिसे गलतफहमी हो उसे समझाया जा सकता है, मगर जो सोने की एक्टिंग करे, ना समझने की एक्टिंग करे, उसे आपके समझाने से क्या फर्क पड़ेगा." However, she also went on to add in a separate post the same day that she had not referred to farmers with any controversial words, and also declared that if anyone can prove she offended their sentiments, she would quit the microblogging site it was posted on. How this case develops and whether it becomes another serious concern for the actor will be understood only after her legal team responds to this complaint. SRK has gone from King Khan to Ace Cook, making delicious food for his family during the lockdown. But while the Khan परिवार is staying put at home, उनके घर का ध्यान मुंबई से दूर कोई रख रहा है. In an interaction with the news channel, SRK's Begum Gauri Khan, who is a much sought-after interior designer, spoke about how the Khandan has been spending time together during the lockdown. In a couple of months, it will be 2 years since we last saw Shah Rukh Khan on screen. Of course, he has been busy as a producer with various shows and films releasing on an OTT platform from his production house Red Chillies Entertainment during the course of the lockdown. We've also heard rumors that Shah Rukh will be signing 2 films, one with Rajkumar Hirani and another one with YRF. लेकिन फिलहाल शाहरुख खान अपने घर पे अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं और अपने हाथों से बना खाना उन्हें खिला रहे हैं। जी हाँ, it's a full house at their mansion Mannat with Shahrukh and Gauri's kids Aryan and Suhana having returned from the US where they were attending college. गौरी ने मन्नत के अंदर चल रहे लॉकडाउन सीन्स का ग्लिम्स देते हुए अपने इंटरव्यू में कहा that Shah Rukh has been busy cooking up a storm for the entire family who is finally together after a long time. She added that they were being cautious and not ordering any food from outside. लेकिन SRK सबकी फरमाइशें घर में ही पूरी कर रहे हैं. During this lockdown, we were initially scared to even order any food from outside. So घर का खाना is made by Shah Rukh himself and we are enjoying it. He loves cooking and I enjoy eating. When asked about how her kids are keeping themselves busy in these unprecedented times, jahan work, home and school have all become confined indoors, Gauri shared कि उनके बच्चे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के साथ कोप कर रहे हैं. But it has not been easy. Aryan has finished his filmmaking course at the University of Southern California and is not taking a break, watching a ton of movies at home. Suhana's online classes at the University of New York are keeping her busy. Abram is back to school, something very new. It was initially quite hard on the kids at his age, but he is coping well, spending a lot of time with the family and all of us together. But the most interesting revelation Gauri made was that when it comes to making sure that everything operates smoothly at the lavish bungalow, neither she nor SRK are in charge. Ji haan, Gauri, who is busy with her interior designs business and is soon to be an author, relies on her mother to help her with the management of Mannat. Most of my house's organization has been remote controlled by my mom, who is in Delhi. She is always on the hotline with the staff, pictures going back and forth, keeps her busy, and it also keeps my staff in check. She is basically handling my home through remote control, via messages, via phone calls. She has been a huge helping hand. Well, it looks like SRK ho ya koi aur. This lockdown has been difficult for almost everyone in different ways. We hope that the family remains safe and we can see SRK on screen really soon. Karan Johar has been facing intense scrutiny and online attacks ever since Sushant Singh Rajput's demise. Most recently, the producer-director was under fire again after accusations were made that banned substances were consumed at his home last year during a house party. These are the 4 latest updates in the matter as the NCB continues its investigation. In the aftermath of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, Karan Johar was one of the worst affected in the massive backlash against Bollywood insiders who were accused of sidelining outsiders and sabotaging their chances. After an executive associated with Dharma Productions was arrested for allegedly possessing banned substances, and a party that was organized by Karan Johar came under scrutiny for alleged consumption of banned substances, the producer-director finds himself in the eye of the storm yet again. First update. Karan Johar returns to Mumbai from Goa with kids and mother Hiru Johar. Karan Johar, who had flown to Goa recently with kids and mother Hiru Johar, has returned to Mumbai with his family. The NCB's involvement has proven to be a setback for Karan again, who has issued a statement categorically denying all the allegations being made against him. No narcotic substance was consumed in the party. I would like to unequivocally once again state that I do not consume narcotics and I do not promote or encourage consumption of any substance, Johar stated in his lengthy statement. Second update. Kshitij Ravi Prasad in NCB custody till October 3rd. The NCB have arrested Kshitij Ravi Prasad and have sought his custody till October 3rd. The executive producer is accused of possessing and peddling banned substances. According to reports, when the NCB raided Kshitij's apartment, they found a small quantity of banned substance in his home. However, while entering the NCB office for questioning, Kshitij ने बाहर खड़े मीडिया के सामने ये दावा किया कि उन्हें फ्रेम किया जा रहा है. Karan Johar and Dharma Productions have also distanced themselves from Kshitij, with Karan stating in his statement, "Neither I nor Dharma Productions can be made responsible for what people do in their personal lives," while adding that Kshitij was not an existing employee of the production house. Third update. The video filmed by Karan Johar at a house party last year is authentic. In what may come as a brief reprieve to Karan Johar, उनके घर पे लिए गए पार्टी वीडियो को फोरेंसिक रिपोर्ट ने ऑथेंटिक और अनएडिटेड बताया है. न्यूज रिपोर्ट्स के मुताबिक एनसीबी ऑफिशियल्स ने ये क्लैरिफाई किया है कि 2019 में ऑर्गेनाइज की गई इस हाउस पार्टी का सुशांत के केस से कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है. Karan has also added in his statement that उन पे लगाए गए सारे इल्जाम बेबुनियाद और गलत हैं. Fourth update. Punjab politician who had demanded investigation into the video has issued another threat to Karan Johar on social media. While the forensic report may have given Karan Johar and his high-profile friends something to be happy about, it seems that Shiromani Akali Dal leader Majinder Singh Sirsa, who had demanded an investigation into the party, isn't ready to back down just yet.
जो तुम नोटिस दे के हमें डराने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, टीवी चैनल्स को डराने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, तुम कानूनी कार्रवाई करोगे. कानूनी कार्रवाई तुम नहीं करोगे, कानूनी कार्रवाई तुम पर होगी. एनसीबी तुम्हारे पे कानूनी कार्रवाई करेगी.
Reacting to Karan's statement expressing his displeasure at the repeated allegations against him in the media, Mr. Sirsa posted a social media post where he said, Karan Johar बॉलीवुड के कार्टेल का किंग पिन है. वो खुद को कानून से ऊपर समझता था. वह मुझे और न्यूज चैनलों को लीगल एक्शन लेने की धमकी दे रहा था. लीगल एक्शन तो होगा और करण जौहर पर होगा अब. गेट रेडी फॉर #coffee with NCB Karan Johar. As they undergo investigations by the NCB for allegedly procuring and consuming banned substances, there are reports that this controversy may also impact Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor's credibility and investment worthiness as brand ambassadors in the advertising world. It seems hard to believe that actors like Deepika, Sara and Shraddha are now under the scanner for their alleged connection to banned substances. While this investigation will definitely take a toll on them personally as they try to defend themselves, it is being speculated that even professionally, for being associated with an investigation of this nature, it could have an impact on their deals with advertisers and diminish their value as a celebrity brands would want to associate with. According to some news reports, the number and frequency of ads featuring Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor have reduced as they are investigated by the NCB for possible procurement and consumption of banned substances. अक्सर जब सेलिब्रिटीज किसी कंट्रोवर्सी के साथ एसोसिएट होते हैं, बड़े ब्रांड्स उनके साथ अपने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स कैंसिल कर देते हैं या फिर उन्हें रिन्यू नहीं करते. This has happened with both Aamir and Salman Khan, who lost out on lucrative deals with brands after they got involved in controversies that created a huge media and public reaction. आजकल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया के साथ साथ सोशल मीडिया पे भी सेलिब्रिटीज की इमेज एडवर्टाइजर्स और ब्रांड्स के लिए बहुत मायने रखती है, क्योंकि नेटिजन्स उनके कंज्यूमर्स भी हैं और उन्हें खुश रखना ब्रांड्स की लगातार कोशिश है। While on one hand, a controversy can cause a short-term loss of face and endorsement contracts, according to a senior ad filmmaker, public memory is very short, and most often B-turn celebs move on to other lucrative deals. All said and done, brands will wait and watch what happens to the celebrities. Once they are cleared, they will go back, but brands till then may prefer to go with non-controversial people. दीपिका, श्रद्धा और सारा कई अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज को एंडोर्स करते हैं, लेकिन पिछले कुछ दिनों में एनसीबी के इन्वेस्टिगेशन की वजह से पब्लिक सेंटिमेंट उनके खिलाफ हो गया है। शायद इसीलिए there are some insiders who feel that ads featuring these three are being downplayed to avoid offending their consumers. कुछ एक्सपर्ट्स का ये भी मानना है that advertisers may wait for the negativity surrounding the celebrity to die down and for the celeb to reconnect with his or her fans and audiences before they can be signed on again. It is entirely a matter of perception when it comes to celebrities endorsing brands, and hopefully with all three actors cooperating with the investigation, hopefully they will emerge from under this dark cloud soon. The handsome and talented Ranbir Kapoor turned 38 today. And his sister Ridhima in millennial lingo can't keep calm क्योंकि भाई का birthday है. But Ridhima is not the only sister celebrating her brother's birthday. Kareena Kapoor Khan also shared a post on social media wishing her best bro a very happy birthday. Ranbir is the fourth generation of actors from the illustrious Kapoor family. And while he initially assisted his father and later Sanjay Leela Bhansali as a director's assistant for a few years, he always knew that he wanted to be an actor. After a much publicized debut opposite Sonam Kapoor in Saawariya, which was the launch of two young star kids from illustrious film families, Ranbir has crafted a unique career path जहां उन्होंने कई अलग-अलग तरीकों के फिल्मों में काम करके अपना टैलेंट और वर्सेटिलिटी प्रूव की है। Ranbir Kapoor started his career in Bollywood with Saawariya. And while he did manage to play several versions of the urban playboy in romantic comedies, he has always managed to strike a balance between massy rom-com films and challenging roles in films like Rocket Singh Salesman of the Year, Barfi and even Sanju. Even this year, the actor had two major releases lined up. But because of the pandemic and the tragic loss of his father, Ranbir has maintained a low profile, spending time with his mom, sister and special someone, Alia Bhatt. The actor keeps a very low profile off screen and is perhaps one of the few stars who is still not on social media. रणबीर जितनी पॉपुलर अपने एक्टिंग के लिए है, उससे भी ज्यादा चर्चे में अपने हाई प्रोफाइल लिंकअप्स और ब्रेकअप्स की वजह से रहे हैं। The actor who dated Deepika Padukone and Katrina Kaif before going through bitter breakups now seems to have finally found stability and love with Alia Bhatt, whom he has been in a relationship with for almost 2 years now. The two lovebirds make frequent appearances together at each other's homes and family functions. And Grapevine के मुताबिक, the two might be gearing up to walk down the aisle really soon. Ranbir has also been the ideal son and brother as the family copes with a difficult loss, and it's no surprise then that his sister Ridhima can't stop celebrating the fact that it's her brother's birthday. Riddhima, who is very active on social media and has been in Mumbai since May when her father passed away, shared a collage of pictures to wish her baby brother. कोलाज में रिद्धिमा ने इंक्लूड किए कुछ रीसेंट और कुछ थ्रोबैक पिक्चर्स, इंक्लूडिंग स्नैप्स ऑफ देम एज किड्स विद देयर पेरेंट्स, precious moments of their family in happy times, and pictures of Ranbir and her with mom Neetu Kapoor as well. Riddhima captioned her birthday collage, "Happiest birthday awesomeness, love you so much, hashtag my baby brother, hashtag 38 and fab." Riddhima also shared pictures in her social media stories to celebrate her brother's birthday and also wished her auntie Reema Jain, who celebrates her birthday today as well. It promises to be a happy day at the Kapoor residence with some low-key celebrations at home and lots of good cheer and quality time with family. We wish Ranbir Kapoor a very happy birthday. Hope he has a fabulous year ahead with love, success and good health.
प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, बट स्टे ट्यून्ड बिकॉज़ आई विल बी बैक इन अ शॉर्ट व्हाइल.
What's a love story without some चुप-चुप के मिलना, दूरियां सहना और बिछड़ के फिर मिलना? Check out these 3 rumored couples in Bollywood who are trying hard to keep their love stories under the radar. लेकिन प्यार तो छुपाए नहीं छुपता.
The pandemic and the long lockdown has been very hard on all of us. But on a lighter note, it has especially been hard on those rumored couples जिनकी blossoming love stories long distance relationship में बदल गई. But now looks like they are making most of the restrictions getting lifted and taking time to meet each other and going on long drives, भले ही मास्क के पीछे छुप कर क्यों ना हो.
First up are Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani. This good-looking couple, who will soon be romancing each other on screen as well in Shersha, have reportedly been dating for a while now. The couple, who has not acknowledged their romance, often indulge in some social media PDA by commenting on each other's posts or are spotted by the paparazzi when they head out together for drives. Most recently, the two were spotted in together wearing face masks, and it seems like Siddharth अपनी rumored bae को एक romantic drive पर ले जा रहे थे. Not surprisingly, their fans couldn't contain their excitement and went hysterical on social media as soon as pictures of the two together were shared online. Second on the list of Nana Karte Prem Ke Panchi are Tiger Shroff and Disha Patni. These two are not just couple goals, but make sure to set fitness goals all the time as well, with each other sharing enviable videos of themselves working out. वैसे तो कई सालों से there have been rumors that Tiger and Disha are a couple. And Disha's friendship with Tiger's sister and mom are only fueling the speculations. But the two stars continue to favor Inkar over Izhar. With restrictions lifting, paparazzi ने कई बार Tiger और Disha को एक साथ ड्राइव्स पे निकलते हुए देखा है. लेकिन when will their प्यार की सवारी reach its मंजिल? Only time will tell. Third on the list of these luka-chupi wali love stories is the exciting but unconfirmed romance blossoming between Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal. एक चैट शो पे जब विकी को बताया गया that Katrina felt the two would make a good pair on screen, उन्होंने होश खोने की एक्टिंग की. लेकिन अब लगता है कि प्यार में दोनों का जोश काफी हाई है. Though they refuse to comment on their relationship status, Vicky and Kat have been spotted dancing together at a Holi party and were even clicked having a meal together last year. Vicky was also spotted by paparazzi outside Katrina's house a few weeks ago as lockdown restrictions lifted. Here's hoping Vic Cat confirms their romance soon so we can have something to cheer about.
Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now, promising to be back tomorrow with the latest. But you guys go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on Bollywood and on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. Until next time, it's bye-bye.